Okay, video number 2, 4816 Senac Drive. Or Senac Drive, I guess. Running the wash machine line and then sewer line. Wash machine line go from plastic vent to cast iron turn to go into the slab, and then into the ABS repair that they did. So they did a repair on the kitchen and wash machine line underneath the slab. And we already checked this out with the camera on the kitchen line. Okay. All right, now we're gonna go check the bathroom vent. Catches both bathrooms. We already checked the bathtubs. All right, now we're gonna check out the sewer vent. Sewer vent's plastic as well. I guess Wisconsin. All right, there we go. All right, so this made the turn that we did. There we go. Alright, so it was ABS plastic inside the wall, and then we turn into the cast iron. Having a hard time getting through there, but it's cast iron between both bathrooms, and then ABS on the beginning and the end of both of those bathrooms. I'm gonna draw it out on the diagram. I'm gonna see if I can get to the front yard. We gotta check out the terracotta between the front of the house and the city. Trying to get past this terracotta hub where the ABS plastic in the front yard connects to the terracotta. Having a hard time jumping it. camera won't jump over it. I'm gonna try to find another access.